Good morning everybody. Welcome to our English class. Okay. Are you ready to enjoy a beautiful story? Today we are going to enjoy a beautiful story of three friends. Okay. I am going to say their names. The three friends are, first one, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. The title of the story is the bubble, the straw and the shoe. This is wonderful. It is a beautiful story of three friends. Their name was, say their name. Yes, bubble. What is mean by bubble? Yes, just listen the picture. This is bubble. Okay. Can you make bubbles? How do you make bubbles? Okay, listen. Our first character is first one is bubble. Then next, say the name. Yes, straw. Have you seen straw? Yes, we can use straw to drink water from the cool bar, isn't it? Okay. The next one is shoe. Shoe. Okay. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. We are going to study the beautiful story of these three friends. Okay. Just listen. I am going to read the story. All of you listen carefully. Okay. First of all, can you say the name of your close friends? Say the name of your close friends. I have friends. My friend's name is Smita, Sri Lakshmi, Brahmya. Okay. I think all of you have close friends, intimate friends. Like in this story we can see three close friends. Who are they? Yes, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay, listen here. I am going to read the story. All of you listen carefully. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. One day, they went into the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, "Bubble, let's float on you." It's a simple story. It is a beautiful story. I told you it is a story of three friends. Say their names. Yes, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay, listen. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Okay, long years ago, there were a bubble. There were three friends. Their name was bubble, straw and shoe. Okay. Okay, thus they loved each other and they lived happily. And one day they decide to enjoy the natural beauty. So they went into a forest. Have you ever seen a forest? Yes, we can see many things, beautiful things on the forest, beautiful rivers, then meadows, trees, wild animals, we can see all these things in the forest. Okay, so our friends Bubble, Straw and Shoe decided to enjoy the natural beauty. One day they went to a forest. Then they came to a river. Thus they walked and walked. At last they came to a river. Have you ever seen a river? Just listen. There is a river near to my house and I can swim very well. Can you swim in the water? Can you swim in the river? Okay. How to cross a river? How to cross a river? Yes, we use bridge to cross a river, isn't it? Okay. Thus, here in the middle of the forest, there is a river. So, these three friends reach near to the river, and at that time they can't cross the river because there is no bridge. So they think how to cross a river. Can you say a suggestion? Can you say a solution to cross the river? How to cross? Yes, we use bridge to cross the river, isn't it? Okay, but here is no river. Sorry, here is no bridge. So they think how to cross the river. Three friends think, and at last the shoe find out a solution. Okay, the shoe got an idea, and he said that the shoe said, "Bubble, let's float on you." We know that bubbles can float on the water. Am I right? Bubbles can float. Shoe said that find out a solution. He said to his friend, "Bubble, can you let's float on you?" And he can't help them. Okay, he can't help them. So he said that, "No, Shoe. Let's Straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Then we can cross the river." And he denied. He can't help his friends. So he find out another solution. He said that the straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Then we can cross the river. Our friend straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Okay, bank means the two sides of the river. So the straw stretch means in Malayalam നീണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് കെട്ടിപ്പിടിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Okay, just listen. The straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Then we can cross the river. Here we can use the straw as a bridge. Okay, then we can cross the river easily. You know that straw is like a stick, isn't it? Okay. Okay, then listen. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. The straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. On hearing these words of his friends, straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. He stretched himself one bank to other. When the shoe jumped on the straw. When the shoe jumped on the straw to cross the river. At that time, the straw broke. It broke. It means the straw broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. Listen here. We know that it is not hard. Straw is not hard, but our shoe is a hard thing, isn't it? Okay. The shoe jumped on the straw to cross the river. At that time, the straw broke and the shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. Loud splash means loud voice, loud sound. Okay, the bubble shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. On seeing this, bubble laugh and laugh. He shook and laughed and burst with a big bang. He also burst means broke with a big bang because he shook and shook. We know that when the bubble shook, he can't. At that time, it will broken, isn't it? The bubble will broken easily. So he shook and shook. On seeing this incident, he shook and shook, and he burst with a big bang. Thus our three friends Thus, our three friends died at last. Three friends destroyed himself at last. Okay, all of you listen here. Once again, I will give you explanation. It's a beautiful story of three friends. It is a story of three friends. Say their name. Yes, the bubble, the straw, and the shoe. Okay. And one day they went to the forest to enjoy the natural beauty, and they walked and walked. At last they reached into a river, and they can't cross the river because there is no bridge. So at last they think and think. At last they find out a solution. They want to cross the river. They find out a solution. The shoe said to Bubble, let's float on you. Can you help me? Can you help us? I will float on you. That's way we can cross the river. On seeing this, Bubble don't allow them to float on him. Okay. So then Bubble find out next solution. That was he asked straw to stretch himself from one bank to other like a bridge. Okay. Then he said that we can cross the river easily. Thus, our straw agreed their decision, and he stretched himself from one bank to another. Then, shoe jumped on the straw. At that time, it broken, and shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. Our bubble, thus our shoe fell on the water, and he flowing through the water. Okay, then on seeing this, our bubble shook with a laughter, and at last he burst with big bang. Okay. Did you enjoy this story? This is a story of three friends. And can you enjoy this story? Okay. Here we have new words also. We can discuss the new words and question answer in the next class. Okay. All of you read very well. Okay. Listen. Once again I will read. Once upon a time there lived a bubble, a straw, and a shoe. One day they went into the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, Bubble, let's float on you. No shoe, let's straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Then we can cross the river. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Okay, I think all of you enjoyed this story very well. Okay, we can discuss the question answer and the new words in the next class. All of you read very well. Okay, try to grasp the meaning of the story. This is a story of three friends. And okay, it is the time to wind up our class. Okay, see you later. Bye.